Hi BUSN119 students. You're doing your homework this week, week 1, for next week, week 2, and your homework was to go to the What is My Learning Style quiz and complete the quiz. Now notice that there are 3 little tests, test 1, test 2, test 3. I'd like you to complete them each one, and I just completed test 1. And it gave me this results page. I'm an auditory visual learner, it looks like. And if I maximize that screen, I can then do a print screen button. And then I can save that in an MS Word document. Shoot, I gotta stop that now. Hi BUSN119 students. Your homework for this week was to visit the Learning Styles, What is My Learning Style, and complete the Learning Styles quiz. There's actually 3 little tests. We didn't talk about this in class, but there's 3 little tests. I think it would be great if everyone could do each of the 3 little tests. I've completed the first quiz or test. It's very easy, and this was my result. And so I'm going to maximize this screen because it's telling me I'm an auditory visual learner. If I hit the print screen button now, I've taken a picture of that screen, those results, and I'll go into MS Word and paste with the paste button the screen results from my quiz. Then I'm going to minimize MS Word and I'm going to close my auditory visual learner results page. And I'm going to go and do test 2 now. But what's interesting here is you may want to click on learning strategies for auditory learners if you come up as an auditory learner. I seem to be auditory visual, so I may want to read both strategies for visual learners and strategies for auditory learners. And it'll give you some tips on how best to learn when you're in your various college classrooms, what to do for yourself to get the most learning in each class. So I'm going to close this result, and then I'll head over to test 2 here, and what I would do is then complete this little quiz, and again get a results page that I will screen capture, and I will go back to the same Word document, and I'll paste it at the bottom of this Word document by hitting enter a couple times and then pasting it, and I'll have the second quiz, and then I'll do the third little quiz, same thing, and I'll be getting more results, more information about myself, and do I think globally or analytically. It'll tell me which one, and I'll paste that into the Word document. And test 2, I'll be getting more results about myself, and it'll be tell me my learning style. So it's more on your learning style, similar to test 1. I think we need to do all 3 to really get a full picture of how we learn best. And then just add the 3 screen captures into the Word document and save the Word document. After you have it all saved, you're going to come back to our course area. You're going to go to the drop box, and under the week 1 learning styles, you click there and you'll say upload your file, and you will upload your Word document. Now I see that about 15 people have attempted this already, and I went in and had a look. Many of you just did the first quiz, just test 1. Please go back and complete test 2 and 3 as well. I did not get a chance to mention it to you in class, but I think we better do all 3. The other thing that I noticed is some people are posting files that are not Word documents, and it's difficult to open them if they are an image file or a TIFF file. I can't open those. So please make sure that you have your information posted in a Word document and it's saved file, save as, and make sure that we're saving it as a Word document. So if I open MS Word and I go up here to the File menu, if I can get to it here, let me just see. So if I go File and I go Save or Save As, and I say save it to this PC, let's just go in here anywhere, it doesn't matter where. And if I now give it a name, I want to make sure this says Word document when I save it. Otherwise, it's going to be saved in some format that may not be the right format. So when you upload it into the Dropbox, the teacher will not be able to read it. So please check for those little minute details. I will be marking this as part of your in-class activities. part of your homework assignments. So you see there's something in the grade book here called In-Class and Homework Exercises, and it's 10% for the whole semester. And this is our first little exercise for part of that 10%. It's your learning styles and all 3 quizzes on the learning styles, just the results page. I don't need you to copy the quiz itself. I can see the quiz itself here. I just need you to paste your results in so we can see what kind of learner you are. Okay, thank you everybody, and I'll see you on Wednesday.